This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Eastern Highland and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. High wind warning in effect from 2 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include Eastern Highland County and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 2 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: any ice accretion from freezing rain will result in greater chances for tree damage. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.